Transformer is a common component. Its main purpose is to adjust the voltage in electrical appliances. But today we're going to use this transformer to make something fun and useful. The first thing to do is to take the transformer casing apart. After disassembling, it can be seen that there are layers of silicon steel sheets and iron cores on its surface. Now take these cores and peel them off layer by layer. Then wrap it up and fold it up. This part in the middle is a coil winding, and there is a primary coil and a secondary coil. Here, first remove the secondary coil to it, and then disassemble the outer mold of the primary coil to it. Then collect the copper wire inside it and wind it up. Then take one of these insulating fiber sleeves, attach it to the outer shell of the coil, and cut off the excess. After processing, I took a 7-wire and peeled it off, leaving only the copper core inside. After peeling it, cut it to the size of the fiber tube, and then fit it inside the fiber tube. Wrap it around the shell 3 times. After that, we put it together with the secondary coil, and then we put the core back together piece by piece. After that, it is put back into the transformer housing. Now find a MDF board. First draw 2 hole marks on it with a pen, and then drill 2 holes according to the marks with a hand electric drill. Then screw it in place. Then find a control switch, and connect it with the transformer installation. The next step is to find a shell, which is made of PVC plate and glue. According to the size of the transformer, spray it with a little paint, beautify it, and assemble it on top of the base edge position. Hit some 502 glue to fix. Now connect the exposed wires with 2 brass connectors. The next step is to attach a power cord to it. Once done, grab a wooden handle and a multi-core wire and cut it. Once done, pass it through the wooden handle. Take 2 thicker copper cores and wrap them with the copper wire inside the wire. Another copper wire is used to secure it. Let's do the same thing on both sides here. After processing, 2 heat shrinkable tubes are set at the joint to heat up. Then put 2 insulated fiber tubes and attach 2 connectors to the outside. A blank PCB is then used to separate the 2 wires. After good separation, find a piece of copper wire, wind it around the handle to make a bracket, and then install this bracket with a screw to it on the bottom of the seat. Finally, take a copper core, shape it into this shape with pliers, and attach it to the front of the handle. Connect the wire from the handle to the connector on the body, and you have an electric soldering iron that you can use for welding. Now we're going to power it up and see how well it welds. Turn on the switch. With a tin wire in contact with its head, you can see that it has no problem melting the tin wire. It is also very convenient